Hello and welcome to Photomaster Studios. Today we are going to create this symbol based logo using grid in Adobe Illustrator. So I hope you like this video. Please stay with us throughout the whole video and let's get started. So first we'll create a square by holding shift and then dragging the box like this. Remove fill and add stroke. Make the color black and then increase the stroke width to 4. That way it will be perfectly clear. Now bring it to the center. Now take the line segment tool and then from the starting of the square to down, make a line. If you hold shift, the line will be perfectly straight. Drag it like this, hold alt and then drag it again. Press Ctrl D to repeat. This line to the right side. Now select all the lines that you have created and give them proper spacing. Then again select all the lines and then press Ctrl G to make it a group. Now right click on it, select transform and then click on rotate. Give the angle plus 90 degrees and then click on copy. Perfect. Now we'll go and select the ellipse tool and then by holding shift we'll create a circle. By holding shift you will always be ensured that the circle is equal by all sides. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl F and bring the second circle by one cell inward. Again press Ctrl C and Ctrl F and drag it inwards. Repeat that. Like this. Make the stroke equal. Now our grid is ready. So to make our logo, what we are going to do is select everything, go to Shape Builder tool and then select 5 from here and then 5 from here. Bring this here like this. And then make a G. Make sure that you clear these and make it a proper shape. Now we'll give this a proper shape. And again, make sure that it's proper. Take your time and clear this. Before doing anything, always magnify and make sure. Now that we have made our shape, we'll go to studio your entire time to do it again. Now that we have got our shape, we'll select the rest and then delete it. Make it a little small. Go to Pathfinder and click on it. And go to Align and bring it to the center. Now that we have received our color, let's start working on it. So first, we'll give it a fill. Remove stroke. Then we'll create a background. Then we'll give the background color and we are done. Now it's time to add our text. First, we'll move the logo a little upward. Then click on text and then create a text box. Center the text and by holding shift, bring down the text. This looks good. Now we'll give it the name, which is Eastern Gateway. Now we'll adjust the typo. Like this and give it the color. And that's how, my friends, we create a symbol based logo using grid. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe to Photomaster Studios. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.